Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Summer's really begun. It's so hot these days. You feel like enjoying something nice and cool. Here is one such recipe, Bengali style Mishti Doi, yogurt, sweet yogurt. You can enjoy it with your meals or even enjoy it like a dessert after the meal. It's very easy to make. So let's get started to making this Mishti Doi. Mishti Doi, sweetened yogurt from the Bengali cuisine. The sweetness and the color is lent from palm jaggery or caramelized sugar. Look at the lovely texture, a deliciously creamy indulgence. Let's proceed to make it. We have taken 3 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, and some yogurt for culture, about 1.5 tablespoon. Little less than half cup of organic jaggery. I am using organic jaggery. Now take a thick bottomed pan and pour the milk into it. Once the milk is little hot, stir in the milk powder. Whisk it well until it dissolves completely. Now this is a trick to thicken the milk fast. Normally you use the double quantity of milk, like I would have taken 6 cups of milk and boiled it for a long time, stirring it until it reduced to half. But this way we can make it faster. It's a shortcut. Now keep mixing with the ladle until it boils. We are going to boil it for a couple of minutes until the texture is perfect. Now the texture is getting thicker. Now Mishti Doi is an essential part of Bengali meal and it's traditionally made during festive occasions like Durga Puja, Bengali New Year or the weddings. In Vedas, yogurt is described as the food of gods, which is why I think it's an essential part of religious rituals. Even when we make panchamrit for our puja rituals, we add yogurt. Yogurt, milk, honey, sugar, they are mixed together with tulsi leaf. You can see now the texture is getting thicker. On low flame, we have boiled it for a few minutes. Now we will allow it to become little cool before adding the jaggery, because if you add it while boiling, the milk will curdle. So at this stage you bring it off the gas and stir little by little. Whisk it so that the jaggery gets dissolved easily. Here you can adjust the quantity of jaggery sweetness according to your preference. If you are making it with caramelized sugar, this is the stage when you will caramelize the sugar, stir it into the milk and mix it. So whisking is done. You can add little more. I have taken half cup, less than half cup, but I think I'll check out the taste first. I don't want it too sweet. I think this is sufficient. I'm not going to add the remaining jaggery. Insert your finger and check if it is just lukewarm. This is when we are going to add little bit of milk to the culture, yogurt culture. Mix it well and stir it into the sweetened milk. But remember, it has to be lukewarm. If it is hot, the yogurt will not set. Mix nicely with the ladle and then pour it into preferably an earthenware pot. It sets very well in the earthenware vessels. If it is a new earthenware pot, you soak it overnight, wash it well and soak it overnight in the water before using it. Cover it with a foil leave it in a warm place for 6 to 7 hours. It may take even little more. In winters it definitely takes more time. That's when you should cover it like this with a warm cloth and place another bigger vessel over it. This helps in setting the yogurt faster. I left it overnight for setting. And look at the lovely texture. It's nice and thick. It's got a rich look and a lovely color. Now you can serve it plain with your meals, or if you wish to eat it like a dessert, you can even garnish with little bit of cardamom powder, pistachio powder and some rose petals to give it a beautiful look. Lovely. Look at this nice, irresistible yogurt. Do give it a try. I'm sure you are going to fall in love with this rich, creamy and delectable Bengali beauty. Do share the feedback when you make. I hope you are enjoying my recipes. Do share my videos with your friends also if you like them. If you are a new visitor, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications about my new uploads. You might be interested in some of these videos from the archives. You can have a look. Check them out. Thanks for watching.